Try to answer some of your guys' questions. This is a 2005 RC51, less than 2,500 miles on it, one owner. I just bought it a couple of days ago. Yes, I'm still working on the ZXR 400R. I am just waiting on some more parts and some time. What color to decide to paint the ZXR 250? I'm not sure yet. Probably just go back with the stock colors. Another question, how many RC51s do we have? Now we have 3, the black one, this one, 2002, and we have this 2000 VTR in red. Another question, what was the exhaust on the VTR? This is what it is. I know very little about it. Yes, I'm still cleaning on the FZR 400R. Here's some Cerakoted parts. Not looking too bad. Can't wait to get her done. All right, guys, later. Bye.